what inspired you to take the leap into entrepreneurship instead of following the big four or MNC route? What's the difference between outsourcing, captive units, and GCC?
Thank you, Shripal sir, and I'll definitely call him Shripal sir. Before I come to my question, and I'll not take much of the time in that, friends, I belong to, apart from my entrepreneurial journey, I devoted 15 years of my life into education. I taught at different 2-year students. A few of them are sitting here. Yes, thank you so much. And I am a visiting faculty with IIM Ahmedabad. So I just wanted to establish that I belong to this fraternity, this field. But I did my CPA under the guidance of Shripal sir, using Baker as the base. And trust me, here I'm saying that this is a deadly combination, Baker and Simandar. Had it been any one element missing, the success is not there. So thank you so much for all your guidance, whatever you have provided throughout my journey. And thank you so much, Baker, for providing such a wonderful material. Coming to this question, what brought me into CPA journey, or rather the journey of entrepreneurship, is all circumstances, friends. I'll not say that it was my decision. My destiny brought me where it brought me, and thanks to God that today we are having a company with 600 people working with us throughout the globe. And we are serving USA, UK, Australia, Canada geographies. So that is all fate. But today, because I'm sitting here and all my younger friends are sitting here who definitely would want to pursue any of this field. So I would like to throw some light on what is the difference between outsourcing, or what are the different options if anybody wants to pursue that. And I'm sure many buzzing entrepreneurs might be sitting here. So entrepreneurship journey you can take in two ways. Either you can open up or rather you can become an entrepreneur, or you can become a professional. And these two are different according to me. People may differ, but what I think is either you become an entrepreneur or you become a professional. By becoming CPA, it was my choice that whether I want to become an entrepreneur or a professional. If I would have chosen to become a professional, I would have started a CPA firm. And there is no need to go to US and serve. You can very well do it from India. I chose to be entrepreneur, wherein my job was not to become expert of a tax or expert of audit or expert of accounting. My job was to serve my clients through the right brains. So this is how these two things are completely different. So friends, whoever is planning to enter into this particular arena, this field, please make up your mind you want to be entrepreneur or a professional. And this will completely change your entry point. GCCs are Global Capability Centers. I am sure most of you are aware, and what these two gentlemen have explained, I will not be able to explain anything more than that. But there are so many companies, CPA firms, who want to establish themselves in India. And we are into that field also. So apart from having my outsourcing company, apart from having my own CPA firm, we are into bringing GCCs like big CPA firms like top 55th CPA firm, one of it, we are bringing them to India, and we are establishing everything for them. So I'm sure moving ahead in the discussion, they'll throw more light on GCCs and what that field is.
Thank you, Uday. That was very inspiring answer.